been so hard to get out of bed lately. It's so snowy and cold. Showered and got ready for the day. I'm about to make a matcha. I already had my cup of coffee and I was reading my book. I'm reading, what the fuck am I reading? Comfort and Joy by Kristen Hanna. It's pretty good, but I just had my cup of coffee, but I need a little kick because...
Bro, you're going with that? You can't go with that. You fucking couldn't remember what book you read.
Why is it that funny, bro? What's the last book you read? I'm just kidding. But I got up a little early and I don't want to take a nap, so I'm gonna need some extra assistance. Let's make a gingerbread matcha latte. I just made the like gingerbread spice. I haven't tried this matcha recipe before, so we'll give it a go, see how it is. The spoon, and honestly, I'm not sure how this is gonna taste. Yeah, so good. This is a win, and this was really easy. I also just discovered the like cappuccino latte frost setting on my Keurig cafe. It's really taken my drinks to the next level. It like frosts the milk up perfectly. It's so soft and foamy. I'm gonna do such a deep clean of this apartment for 2025, but that day is not today. That's gonna be my next video because today we're just getting everything tidy, getting the base clean done because you know how it is. In order to like get in all the nooks and crannies, I need all the clutter and like little messes that are made around the apartment tidy, cleaned up, so all I have to focus on is that deep nitty-gritty cleaning. I also got a few cleaning tools for Christmas that I'm so excited about. It's like such a tired joke of like, you know you're an adult when you're asking for a vacuum for Christmas, but like seriously, these were like my big ticket items for Christmas this year and I was really excited about them. Both of which I've fallen victim to none other than because of TikTok. So, you know, some people say they like you can block certain words on TikTok so that it doesn't show up on your For You page. Like you could block, for example, TikTok shop, then none of the TikTok shop loads up. But like honestly, I should really do that. But like, I don't want to. I find such cool stuff on there, but like honestly, I have a little bit of a spending problem sometimes. So if TikTok does not get banned in a couple weeks, like everybody's saying, I am gonna have to ban the word TikTok shop from my For You page so that I can start making way towards my financial goals. Woo! Don't you hate when you take off red nail polish and it just like stains your nails and your skin around it? This is a perfect example of why I'm banning the word TikTok shop from my TikTok because I want to eventually be able to get my nails done consistently, like once or twice a month. We need to make way for some saving so that we can make some way towards my financial goals so that eventually we can do fun things like get my nails done all the time, whatever. I don't even know what I'm talking about. But if you are also 24 or just in your 20s or however old you are, I'm sure most of you can relate. Things are expensive these days. Also, speaking of the fun cleaning tools that I got for Christmas, I want to show you guys a couple things that I got for Christmas. Just a little mini Christmas haul. It'll take 2 seconds. But okay, I want to show you some of the things I got. First thing I'm so excited about, this is a handheld pressure steam cleaner. It comes with like all these accessories. I'm so excited. Go watch videos on TikTok of this steam cleaner because it looks insane. Like you can literally clean anything. It gets the grime off of everything. Like this is something that people who like professionally clean houses like need to have in their kit because I feel like this would just make getting those like really, really tough dirt and grime. I'm thinking specifically like inside the oven or like in a shower that hasn't been cleaned in a long time. It'll make it so easy, but I'm so excited. I'm gonna do my baseboards. You can do your windows. You can literally use this on everything. Everything's just so exciting too because I'm about to do this giant reset deep clean in my apartment. So we're gonna put everything to use. I'm so excited about this. This is a carpet and upholstery spot cleaner. So specifically the pet one, so it's like extra powerful. And yeah, you can use this on anything. I've seen people even use this on like their mattresses, but you know, your carpets, your couches, your cloth covered chairs. I'm so excited about this. Brody got me the cutest gift. I thought it was so sweet. It's a pottery making kit and a candle making kit all in one. So you create the like pot, you make the actual pottery for your candle to go into, and then you make your candle, and it's just really, really sweet. I just thought this was such a cute idea by him to give me. And like, that's just like, this is one of those gifts that like, it's not like I ever have asked for anything like this before, but like he just knows me and he knows that this is something that I would love. So I felt like it was special. And then, oh my gosh, my grandma got me this cookie jar. How cool is this? I'm obsessed. So the little like tree comes off and you can put anything you want in here. Is that not adorable? My grandma also got us this beautiful cooking knife set. I'm so excited. If you've been watching my videos, you know I've been really getting into cooking and I don't have any knives. Like I've been using butter knives and steak knives to cut everything. So now I have some real grown-up knives. Very exciting. I'll show you these that my grandma got me as well, but I got more gifts from my parents and my grandparents and stuff and other people, but I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the things that I have sitting out here. So my grandma, again, got us these mixing bowls. These are so cute. There's 8 different sizes. This is the smallest and this is the biggest. And I'm in such need of this. Like, I don't know how she knew that I needed these, but it's perfect because I have a couple mixing bowls, but I have like 3 and they're just like, you know, the biggest one is probably like this. So when I was cooking and making a lot of food for Christmas, I was like, I need to upgrade my cooking supplies and get some bigger bowls. So now I'm set. It's so nice and I really like the bottom. I don't even know like what this material is called. I'm blanking, but it's nice because one, they're not as loud when you're like putting them down on the counter. They're also nice when you're like stacking them on top of each other and they just look nice, whatever. Best part about these though is there's lids for every single one. So if I ever need to store anything, I just pop the lid on. There you go. Even for like taking it to parties or places. So excited about these. And then she also got us some more mixing bowls, and these are just pretty white ones. Again, for mixing bowls or even like serving bowls, 3 different sizes. Those are just some of the gifts that I got that I have sitting out here that I wanted to show you guys. I'm so excited about them. It's all very functional, I would say, which is very exciting. It's been fun living in like an apartment this past year because the first year that I lived in an apartment, I mean, I was fresh out of college. I really had a lot of like hand-me-down stuff, and I still have a ton of hand-me-down stuff, but I didn't even have like, if you guys watched my videos back when I moved in my first apartment after college, I literally had like 5 cabinets. And it's just fun now, like that I'm in this apartment and I'm starting to gather like all of these things for my home that I'm gonna have forever and that make life just like easier and more functional. And like kitchen knife set, that's something I'm gonna have forever. I'm so excited about it. And like my pressure cleaner, I'm so excited. We're gonna have to get some like real close-up shots when I'm cleaning with this bad boy. I got a new planner for 2025 I'm so excited about. I was on the wait list. I found this planner over the summer. Actually, I think it was August, and they were all sold out. I think they just do like a couple drops a year. So I joined the wait list, and then in like end of September, I think, they put out their pre-orders for their 2025 planners. So I ordered this one, the daily planner. This is their minimalist one. It's not as thick as their normal one. And this is just their classic planner, but they have a bunch of different types. Like they have a content creator planner, a blogger planner, mom, teacher, all sorts of different ones. I'll link this one for you guys, but I just think it's so perfect, which is why I was on the wait list for months, because I really liked it. I loved all the pages that it included. My only critique is that since I ordered it at the end of September and I got it at the end of October, I was really hoping, you know how sometimes planners will start in like November or December of the previous year? I was really hoping it did that, but it did not. And I was so sad, but honestly, it just made me look forward to it even more. So your calendar view, you have like some monthly budgeting, expenses, goals, month reflection. I love this. So you have this like weekly overview with breakfast, lunch, dinner, grocery list, workouts. I have the hiccups right now so bad, so I keep cutting. And then you have your second weekly overview, which is just like your classic, put in what you have to do, what's going on, and then it starts all over again. So you have like your meals, workouts, all that stuff. I really love this. I'm so excited about it. And I haven't filled in anything like birthday wise or any of like the fun pages because I wanted to show you guys first. And there's some stickers, which is always fun. So excited about this. I've also collected a few PR packages over the past month or two that I'm going to show you. So the first is from Print Fresh. I'm so excited about this. This is a pajama company. They sent over like some stickers, a cute little note, and then 2 pairs of their pajamas. First is this little Christmas pattern. It's so cute. It's just like embroidered. It's a long sleeve button down and then some long pants. So cute. And then this one is this cute light pink little like leopard print. So fun. I'm so excited about these. If you know me, you know that I wear tons of pajama sets. That's all I wear to bed. It's just super fun to wear a cute little pajama set to bed every night. So I'm very excited to get these washed and wear them. I'll link them down below. Next, I got a package from Beam. I use their biotin supplement and I'm obsessed with it. They have so many great products that I use, but look at what they came out with. They came out with greens in a can. I use their powdered greens and I love them. I tell everybody about them because they just taste so good. Some of the other brands of powdered greens are like honestly disgusting, but these are so good. I'm so excited to try these. The flavors look so good. So there's a pink lemonade, mixed berry, and a peach mango. Wow. I'll have to pop one of these in the fridge and try one with you guys. This is seriously a game changer. Like throwing this in my lunchbox every day and bringing it to work. How convenient. Then this company Nix reached out to me on Instagram. They make ice cream and they also make these protein bars that taste just like candy. This is a Swedish brand. I'm so excited. So there's a almond one, a like crispy cookie one, triple chocolate, mint chocolate, peanut chocolate, caramel. I'm so excited to try these, and they're gluten-free, which is so exciting. So I also was sent some skincare from Coco Kind. If you've heard of it, let me know, but they sent over a couple of their products. So we have the Ceramide Barrier Serum, Peptide Fine Line Eye Gel, Chlorophyll Discoloration Serum, and Vitamin C Glow Serum. Very excited. I'll have to let you guys know how these are. I love getting sent skincare. I love trying out new products. I don't get a ton of things sent to me all the time, so I don't know. I just thought it'd be fun to show you guys some of the things that I got over the past month or two, and I'll link everything if you're interested.